This video is going to show you how to connect your lead form extensions in Google Ads to Zapier, the app automation tool. Zapier is going to help us take new leads from the lead form and automatically add them to a list in our email newsletter app. Currently, lead forms can be created in the Extensions tab for search and during campaign creation for YouTube when you select leads as the marketing goal and video for the campaign type. Once you have your lead form set up, you'll want to make a Zap. That's our word for automated workflows. For this first step, you'll add the lead form extensions app. It only has one trigger event, new lead. When you click continue, we get a webhook URL and some instructions on what to do with this. So we'll jump back into the lead form extension we created and paste the webhook URL. For the key field, think of this a bit like a password. It's how you know that Google is sending the leads data. The key will show up on the leads that Google sends to Zapier. So let's enter a key and then we'll send test data and head back to our Zap. We'll test the trigger and check the data. This pulls in the data that Google just sent to Zapier. Well, there's the key that we entered, so we know this is exactly the one that I sent over. Next, we'll add our email newsletter app. For this example, I'm using Mailchimp because I want to add this new lead to an email list. If you wanted to create a contact in a marketing automation app like HubSpot or a CRM like Salesforce, you would select that app here instead. For now, I'm choosing Mailchimp and connecting my account. Once you select the app in action, Zapier will have you connect or select the app's account. Then we can map the Mailchimp fields with data from the lead form, like work email, first name, last name. If you have a field for Google Click ID, be sure to grab that from your form too, which can help with your offline conversion tracking. When you test this step, Zapier will actually send the sample data to Mailchimp. You can skip the test if you're confident you have everything mapped correctly though. Either way, once you're finished here, remember to turn your Zap on. Now you have an easy, automatic way to add your leads to your email platform that'll just run in the background.